Hi students, now we are watching 7th class mathematics second unit fractions exercise 2.3. Before entering into this exercise, just recall the previous exercise. Like in the previous exercise, we have learned what is a fraction. A number which is in the form of a by b is called a fraction. And I already explained what is a proper fraction and what is a improper fraction. Proper fraction is 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 9 by 10, like this. Okay, if it is an improper fraction means 10 by 9, 100 by 45, 60 by 32, like this. Why these are proper fractions? The numerator is less than the denominator, and in case of improper fraction the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, and you already learned how to add true fractions and how to multiply a fraction with a decimal. Everything we have learned, right? How to multiply a fraction with a decimal, for example 4 into 1 by 2. How to multiply these two? 4 ones are 4 and 2. So you can multiply a decimal whole number with the numerator of a fraction. For example, if you have two fractions like 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, how to multiply these two? If you have two fractions, in this case you have to first multiply numerators. 1 into 1, 1. 4 twos, 8. 3 by 4 into 9 by 10. 3 nines, 27. 4 tens, 40. Like this. For example, if you have 6 by 3 into 5 by 2. How to multiply these two? 6 5s are 30. 3 2s are 6. 6 1s is 6 5s cancel 5. Okay. So, one more example. 10 by 2 into 9 by 6. 10 nines, 90. 6 twos, 12. Okay. Did you observe one thing here? Here I multiplied two proper fractions and I multiplied two improper fractions here. Proper fractions, improper fractions. Okay. Here I multiplied two proper fractions. If you multiply two proper fraction, you will get a value. That value is always less than the values which you multiply. 1 by 8 is less than 1 by 2. 1 by 8 is less than 1 by 4 also. In the same way, 27 by 40 is less than 3 by 4 and 27 by 40 is less than 9 by 10. Okay, in case of proper fractions, if you multiply two proper fractions, the value is always a less number than the multiples. In the same way, improper fraction is a reverse. If you multiply two improper fractions, you will get a greater number. Okay, 5 is greater than 6 by 3 and 5 by 2. Understand? If you multiply two improper fractions, you will get a lesser value. If you multiply improper fractions, you will get a bigger value. Understand? Shall we go to the exercise? Okay, exercise 2.3. Find the following. 1 by 3 of 1 by 3 of 4 by 7, 1 by 2, 5 by 9. I'll tell I will tell A, you have to do B by your own. Please copy the complete question. First one. What they asked? 1 by 3 of 4 by 7 means 1 by 3 into 4 by 7. So what is the answer? 4 ones are 4. 7 threes are 21. Second one. 1 by 3 of 1 by 2. 1 ones are 1. 3 twos are 6. Third one. 1 by 3 of 5 by 9. 5 ones are 5. 3 nines are 27. That's it. Simple. Same way, B also.